This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment. Check your Java runtime and Minecraft edition because mismatched architectures cause crashes. Once done, back up your world saves and mods to avoid data loss and shut down heavy background apps to free memory. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and note available disk space. Low storage or outdated drivers commonly trigger failures. This immediate setup avoids wasted steps and positions you to change files safely without risking corruption or needless reinstalls. You now diagnose, enable and read crash reports and latest logs to pinpoint errors, mod conflicts, missing libraries, or shader faults appear here. Next, run clean vanilla Minecraft. If stable, add mods one by one to isolate the offender. Adjust JVM arguments and allocate 1 to 4 GB of RAM depending on mods. Too much or too little causes instability. Update or reinstall Optifine, Forge, and shader packs, and replace corrupted resource packs, because those often produce crashes mid-play. You finish by confirming stability. Create a fresh profile, and if problems persist, reinstall the official launcher to clear corrupted configs. Lower graphics, reduce render distance, turn off fancy graphics and VSync because performance strain can cause crashes. If crashes continue, gather crash logs and perform a clean GPU driver reinstall. Drivers are a common root cause. One troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode or a clean user profile to rule out OS-level conflicts before more invasive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.